what do we have here? Believe this or not, look at that beautiful red house. This is an 8x16 RJO. Yes, RJO is 8x16. We just sold these things $15,000. And we stopped the sale Labor Day. $15,000. Now we took in 300 contracts, and I think we only had a little over 100 actually follow through with their contract. So I'm not really for sure why that happened. If you think that you still had a contract or there's a miscommunication somewhere, please give us a call. We're going to be calling the other close to 200 people to see, hey, did we miss you somehow, or is there something going on? If not, that's great, but $15,000 for this house. All we did was paint it and paint the trim. Well, the trim was already painted. It's already white, and then we added a red. Let me show you this right here. Going on the side, we got some folks visiting. This is our sales lot. But look, now these are the old panels, all right? And it's, I don't know if you can see it in this video, but we just painted it. Now, and the trim, it's been painted too, because it comes sometimes in gray. But these are our fasteners on here. I just think it's amazing. Don't you think it, you can't hardly see the fasteners on here?
You can't see them.
I know it.
With that red.
I love it.
Beautiful with that red and the white, with the white trim on it.
$15,000. You know they're kicking themselves.
Yeah, they should.
Gosh, for not buying one of these. Now look, this is the bay window on this sucker. Look, the bay window. So we offered the bay window and the mini split for an extra $5,000. So this house is a $20,000 tiny home. Everybody, can I just emphasize to you, where are you going to go in this country and buy a $20,000 16-foot? This is a true tiny home. 8x16 true tiny home. $15,000, and with the bay window in the mini split, it was $5,000, so $20,000. Yep, $20,000. Oh, they even painted the red line. Look at this. Our guys are awesome, man. And this is a gable roof. This is a triangle roof. Wanted to show you this. Wow. So if you're some of the 200 people that didn't follow through, we are going to give you a call and see if you guys still want anything to do with this house. You might want to reconsider if it's something you guys said, I don't know if I can do this or not, or if I trust this crazy guy, it's really not real. Well, you guys are going to start seeing some videos of people that have bought these homes, and Amanda wanted this one painted red. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this over on Buffalo Creek, which is our development that we're doing. We have 160 acres on Buffalo Creek. And I'm telling you what, would that house not look good in the mountain on a wooded lot? Big old front porch, wrap around to the side. Everybody, those lots now are $15,000 key money, $300 a month, and you live there forever. A private community that will, you're gonna have friends and neighbors, gated community. You're gonna have, it's just another one of our incredible properties that we're developing. And of course, you guys, we got our cottage here, and we got a 8-foot model that we've discontinued. We're not building our 8-foot models anymore. All right, just wanted to point this out. $15,000 tiny house. Thanks, everybody.